Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Calendar in your browser or mobile app and sign into your account. Enable the Tasks panel from the right side icons or from Settings to view tasks. Create one dedicated calendar named Tasks or Assignments for clarity and simple filtering across views. Choose a distinct color so tasks stand out on your month and week views. Reserve about 15 minutes to set default reminders and click the Tasks calendar and select a date or time slot to create a new task. Give the task a clear title, set a due date, and add a start time if you need scheduling precision. Paste a concise description and attach links for context so assignees have resources included. Break complex jobs into subtasks and add estimated durations like 30 minutes for each step to aid planning. Google Tasks does not directly assign to others for all accounts, so create an event on the Tasks calendar to assign work. Add guests or collaborators to that event and include the task title, due date, and a short instruction line. Set reminders and a preferred time so notifications alert invitees at the right moment. Track progress by asking guests to RSVP, add comments, or update the task status directly in Calendar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.